cup of coffee. I have an unboxing.
Coffee. Coffee.
And the volume is usually really low on my cell phone, and I don't know why.
Because you got a bulletproof case on it.
It could be. It could be because I have a ballistic case.
Yes.
But I know me. That looks like a tiny box.
You say it's a tiny box. That is not a tiny box.
It looks like a tiny box. But the artwork is great.
For K-cups, that's a pretty normal size.
I think it has 12 in it. Yeah, it's got 12.
Yeah, that's standard for K-cups. What, do they got like a mega box?
Yeah, but the mega box I couldn't afford. This was pricey. This was a treat for me.
Yeah.
Look at that. Mint chocolate chip.
It looks so fucking cool. I do not mean beyond. I'm just that. I'm still tired.
I am going to have to get one of the coffee mugs that has this. That's
so fucking awesome, though.
That's a birthday money thing, so I'll have to wait.
Yeah. But that's okay. Because this is cool shit. This really is.
The artwork is what I love.
Yeah.
Just fucking awesome. And they sent me a sticker. Hang on. Oh, yeah?
I wonder if those come with, like, every order. Like, this.
The stickers?
Yeah.
I would say that they probably do.
Like, as a freebie.
So, we're going to go in here. We're going to try it out.
Heck yeah.
Okay, we about ready for liftoff. And I've got it upside down. There we go.
We about ready for liftoff.
We are. I can't record and see it at the same time. All right.
That's okay. You just look through the thing.
Yeah. You ready to?
Yeah.
We'll do it together. Where is it? Where is it? The anticipation.
So Rocky Horror Picture Show.
Yes. Okay, here's finished product. Yeah, this is what happens when you get... See that horrid space at the top? But anyhow, if I really wanted to, I could put... There's... 14 is the highest that I will do on a K-cup. Mm-hmm. But I could do 2 8 cups. Yes.
Yeah.
8-ounce cups. So they give me a 16 cup.
Uh-huh.
But here's the moment of truth. We gonna try it. You know what? That ain't bad.
It ain't bad?
It ain't bad at all.
Is it better than that other coffee?
Which other coffee?
The other one that you were disappointed by. That they sent. Yeah,
oh, as far
they
as...
never responded back to you.
The other company?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It really is better?
It really is. It really is. This is one of those... Most flavored coffees are a little bit better with cream and sweetener, whatever. Mm-hmm. This one would be also.
Oh, yeah.
But I tell you what else you could do. You could do creamed mint and then some of the chocolate liqueur.
You could. That would be good.
Yes. And that would keep with the theme.
Mm-hmm. It smells wonderful.
It does. It has a wonderful aroma. It's a medium roast, but it's not one of those weak medium roast.
No, it's not.
And
I don't know. I don't drink it, but from the way it smells, it doesn't smell like a weak medium roast.
You know, it's like,
because you can tell by the smell.
I don't know why they have a problem.
And I smelled a lot of coffee.
Yeah, you have smelled a lot of coffee. I don't know why, if there was a problem having a dark roast and then putting the flavorings in it. I don't know that I have ever seen a dark roast that has any kind of flavoring.
Because most people like their dark roast just bland, just black coffee.
Right.
Just, you know.
It's like my Rev, never surrender or no surrender in there.
Yeah.
I love that kind. I really do. But this is good. It's more in the line of
luxury coffee.
It is a luxury coffee.
Is that what you're going to say? It's more in the line of luxury coffee, or is it like?
Oh, trust me, for the price, that's a luxury coffee. And let's see. I was going to look and see if on the ticket it had told me how much it was. It wasn't cheap for 12 cups, so it will be used very sparingly.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm not sorry I ordered it at all.
The medium roasts usually have all the flavors.
They do. But like I said, this is not a weak medium roast, so yeah. I'm quite happy with that.
That's good.
The flavoring is strong enough. It's not like they just waved something over it.
It's got a whiff.
Yeah, I mean,
that's an essence of it.
That's what happens a lot of times, is that you have some of the flavored coffee and it's like either it's nasty or it's just not.
But this one,
this is good.
Yeah,
this is definitely good. They had a lot of other flavors that, as finances allow, that I will try those. The bacon maple one intrigues me.
That one is intriguing, just for the name alone.
Now, they actually had a sampler pack that had, I think it was 4 of each. May have been 5 different flavors or whatever, but it was pricey. And I'm like, yeah, I know. So this one had the 12. And
that's good. That's a better price for just,
yeah.
Still.
So I hope to, in the near future, explore more of their flavors. I still think it would be, like I said, a little bit better with some cream or sugar or whatever. I don't think we have any in the house right now, and even though that would enhance it,
yeah,
it's not necessary.
Yeah, and that's a good kind of coffee.
Yes, it
doesn't
is.
Need anything added to it.
Yes, it is. So, this is one that, yeah. Go and get you some. I will put a link to the coffee company again. And this is what other small coffee companies hope to become. Yeah. Especially with the horror theme. Yeah.
Now they got it nailed on that.
Oh, yeah.
They got it down pat on that.
Yeah, this is definitely a cup of coffee with Scream. It really is. So, if you've had experiences with the paranormal, supernatural, encounters with UFOs, aliens, cryptids, if you've got favorite coffees that you have tried, especially if it's from some of the smaller coffee companies, you send us an email, cupofcoffeewithscream@gmail.com.
Yes.
And if it takes me a while to respond to an email or a comment or whatever, sorry about that. I will eventually get around to it. I'm almost totally caught up at this point, but yeah, some
Just
days.
Give her a second, she'll be back.
Some days.
She'll get to you.
So.
Sometimes it just be like that, and sometimes you just have cats that run amok in your house.
Anyhow. Like, share, subscribe, all that stuff that Kid usually says.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and most of all, subscribe and click that notification button for daily notifications of our daily uploads. Thank you all, and have a good, and get some coffee. This was not a sponsored video, by the way. We paid for this with our own money.
Hey,
with her own money.
If somebody would like to sponsor, as far as
turn it into a coffee review channel.
If you know somebody that works at Bones Coffee and would like to sponsor us, that would be great. That would be like a dream come true.
Coffee with Scream.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely, Coffee with Scream. Anyhow, know that you are loved, and Lord willing, we'll see you on the next cup.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.